Hey, I'm Bill Pounds, and I make AI easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to apply. All right, I'm going to give you 4 simple steps that you can apply when you use ChatGPT without overthinking it. Step 1 is to type like you talk. No secret code, simple and straightforward. Step 2 is to give ChatGPT some context. Tell it who you are and what you're trying to do. Step 3 is to ask for examples. AI loves examples, and this provides a knowledge base for it to draw from. Step 4 is to refine. Use example phrases like shorter or more friendly, more bold, or explain it to me like I'm 10. Boom, instant clarity. And just so you're aware, you can't break it. Worst case scenario, you hit new chat and try again. Just start typing. You'll learn faster by doing. If you want AI made simple, I got you. Follow me for more helpful tips and resources. Let's hit the next video.